Good morning children. I am Pavitra. How are you all children? You all are fine. Okay, ma'am also doing good children. Okay, today ma'am going to take on English topic for UKG kids. Okay, shall I dears? Yeah, okay. Before the lesson, I want to share something with you. Can you hear me? Yeah. Yesterday, me and my family members went to park. Where we went dears? Yeah, went to park. Okay, there I saw plenty of trees, shrubs, playthings, etc. Okay, but one thing I forgot to say. What is it? Yeah, ma'am also saw my friends. You all have friends, no? Likewise, ma'am also have some friends. But there is something different. Because ma'am have butterfly friends. What friends? Butterfly friends. Okay. Do you want to make them as your friends? Yeah. But one condition. If you want to make them as your friend means you can understand them clearly. Okay dears. Let's go on. Today I introduce my friends to you. All the butterfly friends are coming to our school. My first friend is coming. Yeah. See here. His name is Yay. What is it? Yay. Very good. Look at the board dears. Okay. How to write Yay dears? Look at the board carefully. Take your pencil everyone. Okay. Look at the board. This is top pink line. This is top blue line. This is bottom blue line. And this one is bottom pink line. Okay. In your note also you have 4 lines. Okay, now how you can write A? Look at the board. Keep your pencil on the 3rd line. Count first, second and then 3rd line. Okay. Keep your pencil here. Start from the small bend. Okay. Go up and touch the top blue line. Again come down. Make a bend. Go up and touch the top blue line. Without lifting your pencil, come down and finish with the small bend. It is a letter Yay. Very good dears. Okay, my next friend is coming now. Yeah, ching 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 ching. See here. Who is he? Yeah, his bee. Okay, look at the board. B. How you can write B dears? Look at the board again. Keep your pencil on the 3rd line. First, second and then 3rd. Start from the small bend. Go up and touch the top pink line. Bend it again. Come down. Touch the bottom blue line. Again bend it. Go up and finish it with a D. What is this called? It is called eddy. Okay. Now we can get the letter B. Okay. Now my next friend is coming. See here. His C. What is it? C. Very good. Look at the board. C. How we can write C dears? Again look at the board dears. Keep your pencil on the 3rd line again. Start from the small bend. Go up and touch the top blue line. And then without lifting your pencil, come down. And then finish it with the curve. Okay, superb. Now, my next friend. See here. Who is he? He is D. Excellent. Look at the board. Here I paste my friend D. Okay. How can we write D dears? Yeah, ma'am will teach you. Look at the board. Keep your pencil on the 3rd line again. Write C first. Okay. Without lifting your pencil, go up and touch the top pink line. Again come down, finish it with the small bend. Okay dears? Okay, next friend. See here. Yeah, here's E. Very good. I'll paste E here. Now we can learn how to write E. Okay. Keep your pencil in the third line. Okay. First you all have write one slanting line. Okay dears. From here you can write C. This is called E. Okay. My next friend. See here. See here. Here's my next friend. Here's F. Okay. Okay. Now look at the board. Keep the pencil on the third line. From here, you can start from the small bend. Okay. Go up and touch the top pink line. Bend it and then come down and touch the bottom pink line. Okay. Without lifting the pencil, go up and then finish it with the eddy. Okay dears? Super. The next letter. See here. This is G. How to write cursive G dears? Look at the board. Keep the pencil on the third line. Okay. From here, you can write A. Okay. Come down and touch the bottom pink line and then make one bend. Finish it like this. This is the letter G. Superb. Next friend. See here. What is it? Yeah, it is H. Look at the board. Keep the pencil on the third line. You can start from the small bend, go up and then touch the top pink line. Bend it, come down and touch the bottom blue line and then finish it like this. Okay, this is the letter H. Our next friend. I. What letter is this? I. Yeah, how can we write I dears? Look at the board. Keep the pencil on the third line. From here, you can start from the small bend, go up and touch the top blue line. Again, come down and finish it with the small bend. On it, we can put one dot. This is the letter I. Next one. See this? What letter is this? J. Very good. How can we write J dears? Yeah, look at the board. You can start from the small bend, go up and touch the top blue line. From here you can write one standing line and come down, touch the bottom pink line, bend it and then finish it like this. And then we can put one dot on it. Very good. This is the letter J. Next letter. See here. K. What letter is this? K. Very good. Okay. Can we learn how to write K? Look at the board. Keep your pencil on the third line again. Okay. From here you can start from the small bend. Go up and touch the top pink line. Again you can make one bend. Come down with the straight line. Go up and write like OR. This is the letter K. What letter is that? K. Very good. My next friend. What is this? L. Very good. See the board? L. Superb. How can we write L? Yeah, listen to me carefully. Again, keep the pencil on the third line. Okay. Start from the small bend. Go up and touch the top pink line. Bend it. Come down. And then again touch the bottom blue line. Finish it with the bend. It is like a loop. This is the letter called L. Next one. Yum. What letter is this? Yum. Yum. How can we write yum? Yeah, listen to me. You can write one small slanting line, okay, between the bottom and top blue lines. From here, you can write one standing line, okay. From here, you can write downward open curves. This is the letter yum. Now, we have learnt first 13 alphabets, okay. Now, we are going to learn the next 13 alphabets, okay. See here. What letter is this? N. Very good. What letter is this? N. How to write N, dears? Look at the board. Keep the pencil. Keep the pencil on the third line. Okay. From here, you can start from the small bend. Okay. Go up and touch the top blue line. Come down with the straight line. Go up, touch the top blue line. Come down. You can make one downwards open curve. This is the letter N. Very good. The next letter. See here, what letter is this? O. Look at the board. How can we write O, dears? See the board carefully. Keep the pencil on the third line. From here, you can start from the small bend. Go up and then touch the top blue line. And then come down with the same line. Touch the bottom blue line. Go up and touch the top blue line. End it like this. Yeah, this is the letter O. My next friend. Who is he? Yeah, he is P. Look at the board. P. How can we write P, dears? See the board, dears. Keep your pencil on the third line. From here, you can go up and then touch the top blue line. Make one small loop, dears. Here, we can make one small loop. Okay. Come down and touch the bottom pink line. Okay. Without lifting the pencil, go up and then write like this. This is the letter P. The next letter. See here, who is he? Yes, Q. Q. How can we write Q? Look at the board. Again, keep the pencil on the third line. From here, you can write like G. We have already learnt it, no? But stop it here. From here, you can make one small bend. Go up and touch the bottom blue line. This is the letter Q. Very good. The next letter. See here. R. What letter is this? R. Can we learn how to write cursive R? Yeah. See the board carefully, dears. Keep the pencil on the bottom blue line again. From here, you can start from the small bend. Go up and touch the top blue line and then make one circle. Again, here you can write one upward curve, small upward curve. Okay. From here, come down with the standing line, finish it with the bend. This is the letter R. Okay, can we see the next letter? Yeah, this is yes. You all are brilliant children, ma. You all answered well, no? This is the letter yes. How can we write yes? Yeah, ma'am will teach you. Look at the board. Keep the pencil on the third line. Start from the small bend. Okay. Go up and touch the top blue line. From here, listen carefully. One rightward open curve and then finish it with the leftward open curve and then finish it like this. This is the letter yes. Very good. The next letter. T. What letter is this? T. Can we paste it on the board? Yeah. This is the letter T. Okay, shall we see how to write T? Look at the board again. You can keep the pencil on the third line. From here you can start from the small bend. Go up and touch the top pink line. Come down with the same line and then touch the bottom blue line. Finish it with the small bend. In between we can write one sleeping line. This is the letter T. Very good children. The next letter. What letter is this? U. How can we write U, dears? Look at the board first. I'll paste it on the board. U. Look at the board. Keep your pencil on the third line. From here you can start from the small bend. Go up and touch the top blue line. Come down with the straight line. You can make one bend. Go up and then touch the top blue line. Come down and end with the small bend. This is upwards open curve. This is the letter U. The next letter is V. What letter is this? V. Excellent, dears. V. Shall we learn how to write V? See the board? Again, keep your pencil on the which line? Third line. From here you can start from the small bend, go up and write the slanting line. From here you can write one slanting line, go up and touch the blue line, end this with the eddy. Okay dears, this is the letter V. The next letter is W. What letter is this? W. Look at the board. Okay, how can we write W in cursive? Shall we learn it? Okay, look at the board. Again, keep your pencil on the third line. Start with the small bend. Go up and touch the top blue line. Come down and then write two upwards open curve. Finish it with the eddy. Okay, this is the letter called W. The next letter is, what letter is this? X. Okay. Look at the board. How can we write X, dears? See the board carefully. Start with the third line. One small bend. Go up and touch the top blue line. And then you can write one left side open curve. Without lifting the pencil, go up and touch the top blue line and then write one rightwards open curve. This is the letter X. Okay, what letter is this? X. The next letter is Y. What letter is this? Y. Superb, dears. Okay, that is the letter Y. Shall we see how to write Y? Look at the board. Again, you all keep your pencil on the third line. Start from the small bend. go up and touch the top blue line without lifting the pencil. Come down and then write like this. This is the letter U. You already learnt it, no? Now you come down with a straight line, touch the bottom pink line and then you can make one small bend, go up and finish it like this. This is the letter Y. The last and final letter. What is it? Z. Very good, dears. What letter is that? Z. How can we write Z? See the board. You can keep the pencil on the third line. Okay. From here you can start from the small bend, go up and touch the top blue line. From here you can write one sleeping line and then slanting line. From here you can write one leftwards open curve and then bend it, go up and finish it like this. This is the letter Z. Okay, dears, today we have learned cursive small alphabets, isn't it? Okay, you all practice it in your home. Shall we recall once, dears? Yeah, look at the board. A, repeat after me. B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and then Z. Very good, dears. I hope you all enjoyed the class. Okay, children. Today we have learned small cursive alphabets, isn't it? Yeah, shall we recall once? Yeah, see here. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Totally, we have learned 26 alphabets, dears. See you in the next class, dears. Bye-bye. Take care. Thank you.